Welcome to this tutorial, guys. And what if I tell you that you can actually build your own Google Meet-like video calling app in React in under 10 minutes? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a fully functional video calling app using React and ZEGOCLOUD's UI kit with features like joining rooms, real-time video, and screen sharing, all with minimal code. So without any further ado, let's jump into what we have built using ZEGOCLOUD first of all, and let's join here, and we'll have to open up the camera, and we'll have a bunch of options to actually share this. So I'll copy this link from here and then open up in another tab and then give it some name, and let's join. And as you can see, now we have 2 people in the room. And also I like to open up next tab and let's join someone else. So so it's like Google Meet, right? So we can also share the screen, right? Like in Google Meet. Let's go with the entire screen. And as you can see, we can actually share the screen like in Google Meet and all the video calling app, right? Let's stop sharing as of now. And also we have settings and layouts, so you can actually modify or customize the layouts we want. So yeah, that's what we are building in this tutorial in just 10 minutes. So let's now go to our editor and then open up folder. So I'm choosing this empty folder, all right? And after that, let's install React in this folder. So we're using Vite, so npm create Vite add red latest, and then we use dot to install all the React setup in the directory. And let's give it a package name, so React video app, and let's choose React, and then let's choose JavaScript plus SWC. This is more fast compiler. And let's now install all of the dependencies, npm install. And let's now run our server. So npm run diff, and that's it. Now I'll go to this link, and you can either control click this link or manually paste this link in the browser. So yeah, we have set up our React, and let's now optimize it a little bit. So we'll just go to src, and inside of this app.css, we'll remove all the CSS and we'll only use margin 0 for all the elements. All right. And in main.csx, we'll remove this index.css since we won't need it, and we'll also remove this index.css file from here. And that's a bit for the optimization, and we are good to go. And finally, we need to modify this app.jsx. And before that, let's go to the browser and search for ZEGOCLOUD. And let's visit the website. And ZEGOCLOUD, basically, it is a real-time apps with voice, video, and chat API. So it has many services like voice, video call, live streaming, in-app chat, and so many other services. You can check that out. All right. So first of all, let's sign up. So let's sign up with Google. And after that, we'll be redirected to this console, and here we'll have to put some information like company name, so we can just put our company name or your name, right? We can just leave it blank, and for job title, we can put anything. Right now, I'll put individual developer, and for industry, I'll put IT. And for phone number, you have to provide a phone number, and then continue. And it'll provide us 10,000 minutes of free trial. All right, so let's go to dashboard. And because I already had created one project, so let's create a new project, and let's now select voice and video call. And after that, let's hit next. And after that, we'll have to give the project name. So React video call app, like that. And after that, we'll be using this UI kit. So let's start with UI kit. And it'll create our project. And after that, we'll have to choose wave over here. And after that, we can actually just go back, all right, and then wait until this one is created. All right, right now it is creating. That's why it is disabled. So we'll have to wait until it is created. So it won't take more than 1 minute. So let's refresh this. And as you can see, it's been created. So let's go here, click it over here. And after that, we will need the app ID and this server secret. And after that, let's go back to the ZEGOCLOUD website. And from there, we'll need to go to the developer section in the navbar and here documentation. And after that, let's scroll and let's go to this call kit. All right. And after that, we'll have to put wave over here and npm package manager over here. And after that, let's scroll it a little bit, and there you see we have the React code over there. All right. So we can just copy it. And before copying that, let's copy this one because we'll have to install this SDK. So let's go back to the terminal and let's paste over here. And now let's go back to the code, and here we have different options like nextjs. If you're in Angular, it has code for Angular as well, but right now we'll just copy this React code, and after that we'll just paste it over here, and that's it. All right, now we just have to change something like app ID and then server secret we saw before. So here we'll just provide the app ID. So we'll just go to console, and from there we can get the app ID. So let's copy and then paste it over here. And let's do the same thing for this server secret. Let's paste it over here, and that should be it. And let's go back to localhost to see what we have built. And as you can see, we have built this, right? So let's first of all change this one to copy link. So there we go. We'll have to change this one to copy, and that's it. And if you look at the code, there's nothing much. This random ID function is actually generating us a random ID to be used in the URL link, right? So and then this get URL params is generating us that unique URL for us, right? And there's a small container, so everything is covered by the UI kit. So let's join the room. So let's open up the camera, and there we go. And let's copy the URL link, and let's open up new tab, and let's give some name, and let's join. And as you can see, there are 2 people right now in the room. Let's also open new tab, and let's give some name, and let's join. And there we go. It's like Google Meet, right? So you can actually use this project to actually connect with your colleagues or friends. You can also share the screen. So there we go. So it's basically, provide all the things that we actually need for, video call. And they also have settings and the options to change the layout. We can change it as we need, and it's perfect. But let's first change this white space around our application. So let's go to this app.csx, and let's import app.css, and let's join, and it's been fixed. All right, so yeah, that's the end of the tutorial. So you can actually use this project for your own personal project or for a commercial project. And that's it. I'll see you in the next video.